Thanks for your valuable time shared with us. Sakarina Career Express. Here you can get regular verified job updates. So in this video, we are going to see the recruitment process which is taking place in Power Corporation Limited. So it is a pan-India application process where a candidate from any state can apply to this particular recruitment. So before getting into the official notification and details, let me clarify you that so for claiming reservation as well as to know about the examination process, don't skip the video. Kindly watch it fully to have a better understanding and clarity before applying to this particular recruitment. So this particular recruitment has been called for a junior engineer trainee electrical department. So the eligibility criteria for this particular recruitment is you need to have a diploma in electrical engineering. So the total vacancies is around 173 and it has been divided according to the reservation process as mentioned here. The total pay scale was around 45,000. So under 7 pay commission. So apart from that, DNS as well as other allowance will be provided. As we see before, the eligibility was the diploma in electrical engineering. Those who got a diploma through distance education are not eligible for this particular recruitment process. When it comes to age criteria, you should be between 18 to 40 years of age to apply for this particular recruitment, and the relaxation has been given for this recruitment. So I have highlighted the relaxation. So it has been given according to the various categories of cost. So kindly go through it. So when it comes to examination process, it is having a 200 questions of 200 marks. That is each question carries a 1 mark, but there is a negative mark which is giving for this exam, which is about a 0.25. So kindly make a note of it and carefully attend the examination. So this 200 questions has a split of about 150 questions which are coming from your diploma background, and 10 questions which are in general Hindi, and 20 questions which are from general knowledge and awareness, and 20 questions from a reasoning part. When it comes to the application fee, it was about 1,180 for all the members expect Uttar Pradesh domicile candidate. So this particular recruitment which is happening in UP, Uttar Pradesh, so the candidates who are other than UP domicile members have to pay 1,180. Apart from that, the candidates belonging to particular category has the application fee as mentioned here. Kindly go through it. So when it comes to marital status, the married persons are eligible for the application process, but the persons who are having more than one wife is not eligible for the recruitment. So for application process, you need to go to this website, Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited, and let me show you the website details as well as how to apply so that you have a better clarity. So for applying this exam, you need to have your own email ID as well as mobile number. Apart from that, the very important thing is so when you're claiming a reservation under OBC NCL, you need to have the certificate which has been issued after 31/3/2021. That is, you need to have the certificate which has been issued after March of this year. Okay, so and you need to have the domicile certificate which has been issued after March of 2018. So kindly make a note of it. And when it comes to the deadline, so December 2nd was the last date for applying the recruitment, and you need to pay the application fee within the 2nd of December. While you are paying the application fee through offline SBI Challan mode, then you will have the deadline on December 4th. So 2 days has been extra for members who are paying through the offline mode. So you will have a computer based test which will be expected during the second week of January 2022. So if you need any further details about this computer based exam, kindly let me know in the comment section so that I will make a separate video on how to prepare for this exam. So now let me take into the website as well as the application process. So once you get into the Google, so Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited, so from here you will be directed to the website. So this is the instruction which has been given in the website for the application. So we already have gone through these deadlines. By enabling this box and starting your application, you will be directed to the application portal. So this is the application portal where you can apply, as well as the new candidates has to register in this particular platform. So thanks for watching, and kindly share with the members who are in need of job with the eligible qualification. Thank you. We will come up with more updates regularly for the job news, so kindly subscribe to have the regular updates. Thank you.